Metatrader 4 Forex trading strategy. This is one of the winning strategy that I've combined together, and I would like to share it with you today. You can use this on any pairs at all, but I like to use this particular strategy on 1 hour or 30 minutes, though it depends on you anyway. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Like my video and do give me that thumb up. Now let's move on to today's strategy. This is made for Metatrader 4 and this is not made for Metatrader 5 platform. Having said that, let's begin. This is a simple strategy that only combines two indicators together to make this particular strategy work. So this strategy is simple and anyone can use it. So I have this indicator here and this is the second indicator. And I'm going to explain how to use it. Make sure you follow me closely. And in the course of this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up and the different value I use for each indicator. Make sure you follow me closely. Now, let me show you how to use this particular strategy. The number one indicator you have to look out for is this stochastic indicator. This is custom stochastic indicator, this particular indicator. And this indicator is trend circle indicator I showed you in the previous video. Now the download link to this particular indicator is in the video description. Please kindly download it from there, and if you do not know how to download it, I drop a video link in the video description on how to download it from where I normally host my file. The number one indicator you have to look out for is this stochastic indicator, this custom value, and followed by the second indicator here. So what you need to do is to see if this particular, the first indicator, stochastic, if all the aqua color cross below the red color for a sell. At this particular point we have all the aqua color below the red color here. This gives us an opportunity or signal to sell, telling us that the direction for now is down, and what you need to do is to wait for the second indicator to confirm this particular strategy. Once it confirms the first indicator in the same direction, then this is the right point to place your trade, and you will ride the trend. Your stop loss will be the previous few pips above the previous high at this particular point here, few pips above the previous high. Then you can ride the trend, or you trade your profit with the trailing stop, or you have a fixed take profit. And for a buy, you will wait for this particular indicator also for all the aqua color to cross above the red color. Once it crosses, you wait for the second indicator, and this confirm this at this particular point. So this is where you will place your trade, and your stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low here. This is the previous low here, so just few pips below it, and then you will be fine. Then you can ride the trend. This is how this particular strategy works. It worked well on all time frame, but I prefer to use it on 1 hour. And here is it where we have all the aqua color crossed above the red, and this is where we have it here, where all the aqua color crossed above the red, and we have this also giving us confirming the same direction at this particular point, where we have all the aqua above the red color here, and this is where to place your trade, and stop loss just few pips below the previous low and ride your trend. And here is another one where we have all the aqua color below the red color and you place your trade and stop loss just few pips above the previous high. And if you want to use it on lower time frame, you can do the same thing. So let's check it on the lower time frame. Have all the aqua color gave us a good signal here, all above the red color, and if you want to scalp, then you have like 60 pips, 70 pips here, and before it drops again, and we have the continuation here again, just in the direction of the main trend. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Let's check other pairs and see how it works also. Here is it on the AUD US dollar. Now let's see how it works on this particular pair also, this same strategy, and this is on 1 hour time frame. Let's see how it works, this forex strategy. Let's see how it works here. On this particular point, we have all the aqua color below the red color, and the other indicator here confirm this particular signal. So you enter your trade and stop loss just few pips above the previous high. And at this particular point also, we have a buy signal generated, and the second indicator confirmed. So this is a good ride also. And if we move back a bit, you will see that it works well also. So at this particular point, we have all the aqua color below the red color for this stochastic constant indicator, and for a sell. So here we have a confirmation for a sell here, though we have a news here that it has stop loss still went in our direction, and that's why you have to check Forex Factory to see if there's any news at this particular moment before you place your trade, or you get out before the news, either 30 minutes before the news. And here we have the continuation. That's why the fact that we have this spike up, this remain in the downward trend. So at this point again, we can place our trade and continue with the trend. And here we have another buy signal here. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple and anyone can use it. Now let me show you what the indicator is made up of and how to use it. So the symbol changer indicator, there's no need to explain that. Here is this particular indicator, custom indicators, this stochastic multi-time frame, and this is what you need to change. The first thing, the time frame, you are going to use 240, and the K period is 5, D period is 5, slowing is 3, then MA method is 0, and price feed is 0 also. And this is the color I use, aqua color and red. So this is how to set up this indicator. It's just one indicator, but you have to add it 4 times before you will have everything like this. I have like a 4 of this indicator. This is why you see like I repeated the same indicator, number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I will open a new chart right now and show you how to do it, so that all the indicators will be on the same window, not on separate window. So let me show you how to do that right now. And the last, before then, let me show you the last indicator setting. This indicator here, the last indicator here. So let me show you the setting before I show you how to use the first indicator, before I move on to another tab. And this is the setting. Just use the default setting. I didn't change anything from this trend circle indicator. This is just the value. I didn't change anything. So apart from the color, this is where I changed the color. Apart from the color, I didn't change anything. This calf period is 10, and the fast MA is 23, slow MA is 50. Just make sure you set it up like this and click OK when you are done. Now let me move on to a new chart entirely and set this particular strategy up. So here is the indicator, and here is the value, and this is what you need to change, 240. Then this is the first setting for the first indicator and change the color to 453300 for this Forex indicator. And this is where I change the color, and you can do the same thing also if you want to do it that way. I change the color here, and this is red, and click OK. And if you want to change the background and I want it to be like my home, this is where I change it. The background here is gold, and the foreground is black, and the bar up is aqua color, bar down is red. Change this one to aqua color again, and this to red. Then you can click OK. So you have the same setting like my own. So you can increase the width of this particular indicator. You can change it to 2 so that you see it clearly. So let's the second indicator, what you are going to do, you are going to drag this indicator on top of this. You are going to drag it from here. You are going to drag it from here on top of this indicator right now. Just drag it and drop it on top. Then change the setting. This is red, and this is aqua color. Then the input, this is 240 also. This remain the same, 240. The previous value we use is 5, so this one is 6. And the next one you are going to do, let's increase the width of this also, so they have the same width. And the third time you drag the same thing also, drag it here also on top of it, and change the color, this to red and this to aqua color. Make sure you change this value for this particular Forex indicator. This is 240. We've used 5 and 6, so this will be 7, and the other value remain the same. And the color, we've changed the color. Let's increase the width also, and you click OK. Then the fourth one, you drag it again on top. Then you change the color. This is aqua color, and this is red. Then you increase the width to 2. Then the value this time around, we've used 5, 6, 7, now 8. Change this one to 240, and this particular value to 8. So this is how to set it up. Now we have everything right now. Just click OK, and we are done. So the last indicator, just make sure you set it up also. There's no need to show you again. Just follow how I said you are going to do in the previous video and set it up. So this is how to set this particular indicator up. Here we have all the indicators, the aqua color cross below, and we have this, so you confirm with the other indicator that you upload, then you will use it that way. So this is how to use it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. As I said, this is for Metatrader 4 and not Metatrader 5. And make sure you check the news before you place any trade, so that it will not take you out of the trade. The news will not take you out of the trade if it didn't go in your direction. So make sure you set everything up accordingly. You can pause the video and set it up and give me a thumb up. That is all I need from you. This indicator is free, and the download link is in the video description. Make sure you set it up. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.